Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. In today's topic we will discuss the security of public transportation and the importance of keeping everyone safe. Public transportation keeps cities moving, carrying millions of people daily on buses, trains, and through busy stations. With so many passengers in motion, safety and security are always top priorities. That's where modern security camera systems play an essential role. On buses and trains, cameras act as a strong deterrent against crime, vandalism, and harassment. Passengers feel safer knowing that activity is being monitored, while operators can focus on driving without distractions. Recorded footage provides valuable evidence if incidents occur, protecting both riders and staff. At stations, cameras help manage large crowds, prevent theft, and monitor suspicious activity. Real-time monitoring allows security teams to respond quickly to emergencies, from medical situations to potential threats. Advanced analytics, such as motion detection and facial recognition, make these systems even more powerful in detecting unusual behavior before it escalates. Beyond crime prevention, transit authorities use surveillance footage to improve operations, track passenger flow, and respond to accidents or delays. Cameras not only enhance security but also improve the overall travel experience by creating a safer, more reliable public transportation system. By integrating surveillance into every part of the transit network, cities can reduce crime, protect passengers and staff, and ensure public trust in their transportation systems. At Comm Systems, we provide advanced camera solutions tailored to buses, trains, and stations, helping transit systems deliver safety, reliability, and peace of mind to every passenger. Thank you for watching the Comm Systems channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more information, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.